All right, Curtis Chappell here with Quantum SEO Solutions, and I'm here to demonstrate a mobile app that I have developed or am in the process of developing for a local business. Now, I just want to make it clear that what we're developing here are real apps. In other words, this app is going to get uploaded to the iPhone App Store and also to the Android market. All right, that's another big point that I want to make impress you with in straight away is that you're going to pay a one-off fee and you're going to get 2 apps submitted. Okay. Now this one-off fee is starting at $2,500, and that depends. It's going to go up from there depending on all of the features that you want to get added, the amount of time that we have to put into the app. But that's going to be where we get things kicked off with. But again, the reality is you're going to get 2 apps for the price of 1. Okay. The other thing I think that's very important for you to understand is just so you know where this sits in the world of app development. I went and spoke with this company, Hog's Breath Cafe, and they've had 4 quotes to have an app developed, ranging between $15,000 and $60,000 Australian. Okay, now that's a lot of money, and I'm coming to you with a solution that starts at $2,500, and that's a big change, and I'm going to show you some unbelievable value aspects of this app. Okay. So straight away, when you have an app built, you're going to have a click-to-call button, right? So someone hits that button, and straight away the app is going to go to the phone number, and you're going to start ringing that company. So they don't have to be fumbling around for your number. They don't have to search on the internet. They have your app on their phone, and it's right there, click-to-call. You can have directions. So if you're a pizza place, for example, and you're offering some discount for someone to come pick up the pizza, well, you just bring up the directions, and it gives you step-by-step driving directions through the Google Maps. And then you got the Tell a Friend feature, which is very cool. So let's say that you're offering some discount. Download the app and get a free beer or 25 cents or 25% off your first pizza or first meal or whatever. You can tell friends about it. You can click that button, and it's going to ask you to share, and you're going to be able to share it out through Facebook, Twitter, and email. So, boom, you can just send that straight out to your followers or your friends and share the joy and help the business grow virally. Okay, we can bring menus in here, and again, the menus can be done in several different manners. What we've done in this particular instance is actually brought in the actual content from the website. So I've just, in this instance, kind of cut and pasted the data there, and it renders fairly nicely. Again, we would probably put a nicer background in there and put a little bit more effort. I really did this on the fly to just show what the look and feel of the app. QR coupons is a really cool feature. Let's say that you want to build a customer loyalty program, okay? And you do that by offering the clients to come back several times. And what we do is we put a QR coupon in here, and we say, okay, it's 25% off all Hog's Breath Cafe meals. And how do I get that? So I click on that, and it brings me to this screen here where I actually have a QR scanner built into the app, right? And I simply click scan on the app, and it allows me to scan a QR code that the restaurant has kept behind the counter to allow patrons who have paid to actually get credit. So it takes away the whole concept of the repeat cards or the pamphlets or frequent user swipe cards and all that stuff. Everything can be built straight into the app. And once that I've swiped this 3 times, I can get my 25% off. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We can have a list of locations. This particular entity has multiple locations in multiple states. So again, I've just cut and pasted those in. We could actually bring in the phone numbers and the physical addresses and have clickable links if you have physical websites or web pages for all of your locations. So that's kind of cool. We go into the More feature. And we've got lots of things here. Hog's Breath has an order ahead feature, and what you need to do is download this PDF and fill it out and fax it to them. And so you just download it onto your app. You can print that out straight away, and you have that now in your pocket that you can order ahead of time. And that's kind of cool. This is probably one of the most powerful features of the app, right? You're going to be able to send messages anywhere in the world through the app, and you're going to do that unlimited for one flat fee of $50 Australian per month. Okay. Now the way that works is when you go in, you're going to actually get access to an administrative back end to the app. and you'll be able to actually go in there and send a message. Now they are limited to 128 characters, so you're not going to write a book, but you're going to send a little snippet, 25% off margaritas, for the next 2 hours, or you can send a little shortened URL, which might take them to a special page or something like that. But that's very cool. So again, anywhere in the world, you can push messages out to anyone who has the app for a flat fee of $50 a month. Now what happens is if they don't elect to read the message when it first comes through, the messages will just stay here and they can come and read them at their leisure. The image gallery and email photo is really cool. You kind of use those in tandem. So because you have once you've downloaded the app, you have the ability of sending photos up to the system, and those go into the image gallery. So can you imagine that you're having birthday parties and one of your staff has an app on the mobile phone and they're taking photos of the people having fun and laughing and eating your food, and then you're uploading that to the image gallery, and then of course you can go into the image gallery and have a look, and we just have one image that we've done in there. You can click on that and it'll start a slideshow, so that's kind of cool. And obviously these you can edit these, so you can remove or add pictures as you wish. So again, that's a great way to interact with your clients. Again, this particular organization has a kids zone, and they have an area on their website which takes them into a place where the kids can interact, and there it is. So we bring the website straight into the app, and you can just interact with the children, and away they go. Obviously, you can have Facebook, Twitter, all those things. This particular one will take you straight to the Facebook fan page. So again, you can go in there. You can go straight to the Twitter page and tweet. And you can also have a client wall. I thought this was really cool. You can interact with the clients, or the clients can interact with you. So, just like Facebook has a wall, well, you'll have your own wall, and clients can actually come in here and post comments. And obviously, as the administrator, you have the ability to, manage that, monitor that. And I think the last thing I just want to bring up is the ability to go in and edit the app as required. And one of the things that so impressed this company was the fact that they can actually recreate this graphic. And please understand, they did not do this graphic. This is me, and I just cut and pasted it, and it's very ugly. Obviously, they would have this professionally done, and it would look very spiffy. But let's say that they wanted to have a Christmas look and feel for the app, and then they wanted to have a summer look and feel and a winter look and feel. You could actually come in here and just recreate a new graphic and upload it. And that's the big difference between these apps and most apps that are on the market today. Most apps that are on the market today are actually closed apps. They've been developed, they've been closed, presented, uploaded into the stores, and you cannot change them. These apps actually give you a login to a back end, and you're going to be able to change everything. You can move these buttons around. You can go change content. Let's say the menu changes, or you change one bit. Let's say you add a prime rib. You just go in here and add the changes, so you can log into the back end and make those changes. So that's, again, extraordinarily powerful. So if I had to point out three things, it would probably be the push notification, right? So unlimited push messaging, the QR code ability to have a customer loyalty system, and then of course the ability to edit the app. So really, I'd love to sit down and have a chat to you, see how this could work for your business. I know not every business is a hog's breath, but every restaurant owner can at least see the value of what a tool like this could do. You're going to be in the pockets of your customers, not in the back of their mind. You're going to be in their pocket. Okay, so think about that. Think about ways that you can engage with the clients to bring people in during slow times. This is all very, very powerful, very cutting-edge marketing that you need to be involving in your business. I can't even talk to you about all the statistics around the number of people, but it's hundreds of millions of people are searching online every day and using their mobile phones to search. Okay, so you need to be in the game. Once again, Curtis Chappell with Quantum SEO Solutions, and the question for you is, does your business or restaurant have a mobile app?